Anderson College is one of Canada's oldest colleges, having opened its first location in 1885. Anderson has trained over 150,000 students during its over 140 years of history and continues to be an empowering partner for those who are experiencing career challenges and transitioning to the next phase of their lives.
When I come in the morning, I ensure that the classrooms and the lab is operational, make sure that the equipment is ready for the students to begin the day. Also look to ensure that we've got our instructors are ready for the day, whether they have any questions for me or if there's anything that I can support them with.
A program combines strong fundamental theory with hands-on practice using state-of-the-art ultrasound equipment and simulators.
It's the same kind of ultrasound machines you would find in a clinic or a hospital, and just getting that sort of exact first-hand experience of actually being able to use them, learning how to clean them, learning everything about them, which will help us continue to take care of them once we graduate.
When they graduate, they leave with confidence, skills, and compassion to improve the lives of patients every day.